Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Apple Wallet primarily supports adding items like boarding passes, event tickets, loyalty cards, and credit or debit cards. Adding a PDF directly to Apple Wallet might not be a native feature. However, you can use third-party apps or services to create passes from your PDFs and then add those passes to your Apple Wallet. Here's a general outline of how you might be able to do this. First, convert PDF to pass format. You will need to convert your PDF into the pass format that Apple Wallet recognizes, which is the .pkpass file format. There are various online tools and software that can help you do this. One popular tool is Passkit, which also allows you to create passes from PDFs. So go ahead and create pass using Passkit. Visit the Passkit website, that is www.passkit.com. Look for an option to create a new pass and upload your PDF and follow the instructions to customize the pass. Once you have configured the pass settings, generate the .pk pass file. Now transfer the pass to your device. After generating the .pk pass file, you need to transfer it to your iOS device. You can do this through email, messaging apps, cloud storage services, or by connecting your device to your computer. Now go ahead and add pass to Apple Wallet. Locate the .pk pass file on your iOS device and then tap on the file to open it. You should see an option to add to Apple Wallet. Tap on that. Now configure pass details. Apple Wallet will open and display the pass details. You might need to provide additional information, such as a name for the pass or other relevant details. Now go ahead and access the pass in Apple Wallet. Once added, your pass should now appear in Apple Wallet. You can access it from Wallet app on your iOS device. So, this is how you can add a PDF to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.